some basic English words. So we will see 25 basic words. The opposite of big is small. The opposite of up is down, down. The opposite of the word in is out. The opposite of the word hot is cold. The opposite of words wait is dry. The conditions of the opposite of happy is sad. The opposite of happy is sad. The opposite of full is empty. The opposite of word yes is no. The opposite of right is left to show the directions. The opposite of male is female. The opposite of smooth is rough to show surface roughness of the object. The opposite of red is black to show color. The opposite of day is night, time, condition. The opposite of soft is hard to show the strength of the object. The opposite of good is bad to show the properties of the thing is. The opposite of near is far to show the distance. The opposite of thin is fat, thin, fat. The opposite of tall is short. The opposite of the word tall is short. The opposite of the word right is wrong. The opposite of new is old. The duration of time. The opposite of open is closed. The opposite of light is dark. Light is dark. The opposite of fast is slow to show the speed of the object. The opposite of clear is dirty. Neatness of the things. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe our channel for other opposite words. Thank you.